I'm hungry.
Hungry? Me too. I'm starving. Are y'all hungry?
I'm hungry.
What? Oh yeah, it's a lime clock. In front of me, so if I trip and fall, you'll
That's
cushion
what I said,
me.
you're taking us down.
I know, right? See, there's one of the boat rides right there. Oh, that smells awesome. Oh, sorry, excuse me. They look bored and waiting. Hello? Ooh, that dove almost hit me. Creepy! It's a creepy monster! Ah!
2 blocks that way. Would that be okay?
Creamery. Oh, Ghirardelli's. Oh, there are so many stores here. This place is just huge. What do you think, Penny Joe?
I think the chocolates are calling me, but yeah, I want to go to the creamery. Yummy, yummy.
I know. I'm gonna need them to clean their windows. They're so filthy.
But their stuff is so pretty.
It is pretty.
Oh, no, Leo.
Are those your new flippies?
New flip flops?
Are those your new ones? No.
No, I think so. Well, sort of. Anyways, we're walking to see if we can find a restaurant.
It says it's 0.1 miles away.
Well.
That's not real.
Hi, Aja.
This is a neat elevator.
Wow.
Look, it's cool. It's like a cage.
I know.
Like a cage you can see out of.
Oh no, it's dark in here.
Behind you.
What we do here is go back.
We're almost getting there. Oh yeah, that is beautiful.
Send it to you. I love that.
Hello,
Where are
sir.
we going?
He's gonna steal one of those cocktails. Hello, people down there. Hey, Ducky Poos. Hey, Ducky Poos. Yeah. The baby ones. Those are so cute. Look at the babies. Those are so cute. Where you going? Where you going? Where you going? Huh? Where you going? Where you going? We got here to the restaurant and there's a 30-minute wait. So I guess there's nothing much to do but wait. Thank you, thank you. I'm sitting down here if that's okay. I'm so hungry. I don't know what I want. Do you know what you want?
Yes. I want to eat a cow.
You want to eat a
cow? I could eat 3 or 2 of them right now.
You get to eat 2 of them?
2 or 3 of them.
2 or 3 of them. Okay, good job.
And 2 cheese enchiladas.
Chicken.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Are you so into what kind
How many is it? 10? Can I get another fork? I accidentally dropped mine.
Crispy? Taco?
Nope, that's it.
I'll get those empty ones. Taco.
So I got 1 beef, 1 chicken enchilada.
Oh, don't forget
with
your
beans and
jalapenos,
rice.
Papa. I already know.
2 beef, right?
Thank you. Thanks. What's chili called? It opened in 1946. This way. Yep.
I saved your life.
Save your life.
They're down there.
That is the fanciest McDonald's I've ever. Excuse me.
Beautiful.
That is pretty, isn't
Oh my
that?
gosh, look at that. Stained
Wow.
glass. St. Joseph's.
Awesome.
Really pretty.
Wow, look at that up there.
Guys smell it too. Brazilian
Still makes me
smell.
hungry.
Oh yeah, the waiter has
Yeah,
swords.
and some of them have filet, some of them have chicken, sausage, pork,
Oh
beef.
my goodness, look at
and they
that.
slice it onto your plate.
That is amazing.
New Jersey's a great place for that.
Look at that. That's cool too right there.
Yeah, and it's cheap in New Jersey and it's quality because it's a lot of Brazilians.
Oh my God, I do not know what happened to Texas. It is freezing and windy. It's like 40 something degrees. It's cold.
You're lucky your head's staying on your head.
I know. The wind is really breezy.
Yeah, check
You made it back. Very good, lady. Okay, we are back to the van. We are back in the car, our van, and we are gonna head back to
James, take us home.
back to my aunt's house, base camp. So we will see you next time. Thank you for hanging out with us today. Bye for now. Mwah. Onward bound.
Homeward bound.
Downtown San Antonio at night. I'm happy to be getting
In
home.
800 feet, use the right lane to turn left onto East Market Street.
Jeez, look at his pants wiggle in the wind.